Welcome to this video explaining managing options in ECOS, the ECOS costing software designed to help you prepare your price proposals in detail for an ECOS tender. In this video, we will guide you through creating a proposal option, setting up a new WBS tree, linking it to your proposal option, and submitting it to ECOS. In ECOS, you start by creating a single price proposal, known as the baseline proposal. You can then add one or more proposal options to this baseline, for example, to include optional extra services and their associated costs. You can assign an optional proposal to only one WP or one WBS tree or branch. In this video, we will show you how to assign an optional proposal to a WBS tree. To create a proposal option, open your price proposal and select Proposal Elements from the Price Proposal Actions menu. You will see the baseline proposal listed. This element is created by default. It cannot be edited or deleted, and is always included when you submit your price proposal. Click on Create New Proposal option, then specify an identifier of your choice. Next, choose the type, either unsolicited option or mandatory option, with the latter being required when ECOS asks you to submit both a baseline and an additional proposal option. For unsolicited option, you can choose whether to submit the optional proposal by deselecting the button to be submitted. You can also add an optional description. Then, click on Create. You will now see your proposal option in the Proposal Elements tab. Next, you need to create or duplicate a WBS tree. To do this, return to your price proposal by clicking on its reference number. Click on the three dots next to the title of your WBS tree and select Create New Tree if you'd like, for example, to add an extra phase, or duplicate tree if you'd like to offer an alternative pricing option. To create a new tree, click on Create New Tree, enter a title for your new WBS tree and click on Save. To duplicate a tree, select Duplicate Tree instead. Once you have created both your proposal option and your new WBS tree, you can assign the option to that tree. A proposal option can only be associated with one WBS tree. Open the menu next to the tree title, choose Assign Proposal Element, select the proposal option, and click on Assign. You will now see the identifier of your proposal element displayed in brackets next to the WBS tree title. You can then complete your proposal option as needed. Please note, for an option not linked to a contractual phase, use Options in Other Phases. When you submit your price proposal to ECOS, you will be able to see whether each proposal option is included. To add or remove a proposal element, simply return to the Proposal Elements section. During the submission process, you will find the reports linked to both your baseline proposal and any associated proposal options in the Price Summary and Reports section. During this video, we have explored how to manage options in ECOS. For further information, please refer to the manuals and other videos available by clicking on Help on the ECOS homepage. Thank you for your time and for watching this video.